Today, we want to talk about change because we've been on YouTube for almost 3 years now.
And over that time, our channel has changed so much.
Now, we'll be the first to admit that we are not perfect, but we always try to do our best.
Looking at some of our earlier videos, we can barely recognize those guys.
Breakfast every morning, guys.
There it is.
And we really do appreciate all the comments and you guys really letting us know what you guys want to see.
Yeah, we are really open to positive, constructive criticism. It has been made clear to us that our eating disorder title needs a change.
Eating disorders are defined as any range of psychological disorders characterized by abnormal or disturbed eating habits. Eating disorders are serious conditions related to persistent eating behaviors that negatively impact your health, your emotions, or your ability to function in important areas of life. The most common eating disorders are anorexia, bulimia, and binge eating. Calorie restriction, portion sizing, and diets leaving yourself hungry so you can look a certain way, and on the other side, binge eating on unhealthy animals.
We feel that these subjects fall under the eating disorder category.
But ultimately, in this situation, it really doesn't matter what we think. What matters is what you guys think.
And many of you feel that this title is understandably offensive.
So we were wondering if you guys were willing to help us out and come up with a new series title that we can all get on board with.
And we're very open to suggestion here.
We really do love making these videos because they are helping so many people in a very positive way.
And ultimately help them live a healthier lifestyle.
In every single one of our videos, we try to be as caring and constructive as we possibly can and come off in a very genuine way.
We do give credit where it's due to the big channels that are really trying to make a positive change.
We believe people with millions of subscribers, people with millions of followers, do have the responsibility to try and send a healthy message, but that is a matter of opinion. We are not saying that every single channel has to start making every single video about health and nutrition,
but making a healthy video once in a while could make a huge impact. We would like to take this time right now to thank everyone who saw where we were coming from.
And to everyone that we offended with our title, I hope you can see that we were genuinely trying to help and we are listening to you guys and we are making a change. And lastly, we want to thank everyone for helping us become the best versions of ourselves, and it is our life and our goals mission to help make this world a better place for the people and the animals on it together.
We still have lots of celebrities video to come, so comment down below. Well, let us know a title or titles that we should start using to get this message out. Pop this, give this video a thumbs up if you like that we're making a change and we want to start changing our titles. Subscribe to the channel, guys. We're making videos all the time
Because it's fruits and vegetables for life,
and it's fruits and vegetables for the win.